Hi, I'm doing a review today on the Beko WMB81243LW washing machine. I was very kindly sent this item to review by the company AO.com. I've been using the washing machine for about 5 days now. It's got an 8 kilo drum, a 1200 spin, and it's triple plus A rated, so it's very eco-friendly. There are quite a few different options here on the machine that you have. First of all, to turn it on, you push this button in. Once it's turned on, the digital display will come up to show you that it's actually turned on. And then all you need to do is select which option you want, and it will tell you over here, once you select it, the amount of time that it's going to take, the spin cycle that it's on, and the temperature that it's on at. You can also change the temperature. You can pause the machine once you've got it on, and then over here you can change the spin, and then you've got the time delay buttons here. The time delay goes by half an hour, so you can put it up and down. If you skip too far forward, then you can press the bottom one to take it back half an hour. You've also got these buttons down here for a pre-wash, quicker wash, extra rinse, and anti-crease that you can select. The one thing, or a couple of different things that I really like about this washing machine, one is the size of the drum. It's very big, so you can fit loads of washing in there. And then the second thing are over here, you've got the super short and the freshen up options. So if you select one of those, the super short option is only 14 minutes. So that would be, I'm assuming, if you, for example, if you're wearing something and it's been in the wardrobe for a while and you just want to freshen it up, or if you've only had something on like one day and it's not dirty but you just want to give it a quick wash, you can put it on one of those rather than putting it on the whole cycle. You've got here the daily quick wash is only 39 minutes long. I think the one thing when sort of looking at washing machines and trying to see, a lot of times it doesn't tell you what the standard cycle times are. Like, it might only tell you what the quickest wash is, but it won't tell you what any of the other times are. So, but I like this, I really like this machine. Obviously the different options that you select, for example, if you selected mixed fabrics, for example, that's 1 hour and 24 minutes. But obviously if you change the temperature, then it will change the time. So the cooler you have it, the less time it will take. You've got quite a few different options on here though, which are really good. So obviously a lot of them are different times. That's for synthetics, and that's 1 hour 53. But again, if you change the temperature, you can change how long it's going to be on for. Generally, most things you wouldn't really have above 30 degrees. Obviously, for the lower temperature that you have it, the more eco-friendly it is and the less energy that it's using. So far, I've done quite a number of washes with this machine. Everything's come out really nice and clean. The water is distributed evenly. When it comes on a spin, it's not, so when you take the washing out, it's not sopping wet, which with my old washing machine, I found that I'd always have to put it on a second spin just because there was not a lot of water left in it. But this washing machine, I don't have to do that. It's absolutely fine just to pop out and put it straight on the washing line or in the tumble dryer if needed. I haven't actually used the soap dispenser tray so far because I don't use soap powder, but you've got here the I'm assuming you'd put the soap powder in here, conditioner in this one, and then any pre-wash like stain remover or pre-wash detergents in there. I actually use something called soap nuts, which are 100% natural, completely eco-friendly, and I just pop a couple of I usually pop about 5 of these into a little bag. They look like that. they're the shells of a berry, and they're called soap nuts. I pop about 5 of them in this little bag, and then sometimes I'll put like essential oils on there for scent, but if you don't put any essential oils, they come out smelling really fresh anyway. And you just pop that in the drum along with the clothes, and it actually generates quite a bit of soap. So that's what helps, or that's what cleans the washing. So I use those, which I suppose with when you've got a washing machine, actually, it's a lot better to use something like that, so it's not clogging up all the different compartments and what have you. But yeah, so far so good. I really enjoy the washing machine. I think it's fantastic. It's actually really quiet as well. We were quite surprised actually the first night we put it on. We were in the living room, and usually when we had the washing machine on, you could always hear it. So it was kind of background noise, but we had it on and we couldn't hear anything at all. So it's super quiet. Yeah, really enjoy this washing machine. Again, the drum is huge, so you can get quite a lot in each load. I actually yesterday washed 2 large blankets at the same time, twice. So that was 4 blankets that I washed in 2 separate washes, which normally I would only be able to put 1 in each load that I put on. So I was quite pleased with that. Helped me to get my washing done a lot quicker. But yeah, I think it's a fantastic washing machine. I have no issues with it whatsoever. Again, I think sometimes when you buy a washing machine, you're not sure how long the cycles are, but some of them are quite long. But again, if you change the temperature and what have you, it takes the time down, so you haven't got to have the wash on for as long as the preset time is. So everything's changeable on there. And yeah, I think it's a fantastic washing machine. I'm really pleased with it, and so glad that I've got it. Thanks very much. Bye.